How to link Google Play in eFootball. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can link Google Play in eFootball. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to launch the eFootball. And here, linking Google Play to your eFootball account ensure that your progress is saved and can be restored if you switch devices. So to do that, once you have opened up the eFootball in your device, if you haven't selected the language, select your language and tap on done. Now again, choose your country or region, then tap on next, tap on confirm. Once you're done with that, tap on this menu icon with the 3 line. You will have multiple options pop up in your interface. So from here, look for a data transfer section and then tap on data transfer. So from here, you have to choose the first option, that is Google Play account. Tap on it. Now a prompt will appear asking you to log in to your Google account. If that's not your Google account, tap on it and then select your Google account from here. Once you have selected your Google account that you want to link with eFootball, after that, in order to confirm the linking, you have to tap on continue and then follow the on-screen instructions and ensure that your Google account or Google Play Games account is selected, which will be used for saving your progress. Once you have linked your account, you can return to settings and verify that your account is linked to Google Play. And that's the way to link Google Play in eFootball. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.